this summer updo is perfect for the natural texture and volume of curly hair. Just using these TELETIES ponytail holders to quickly transform everyday curls into this pretty bubble braid hairstyle that you can wear all summer long. So let's get started. There are 4 sections to this bubble braid and I'll walk you through each one so you can style this and master the look on your hair as well. So the first section is a triangle section of hair at the top of the head. So you can just gather some hair up and then with just your fingernail you can just carve out this triangle section, with the widest part of the triangle being at the forehead and the very tip of the triangle near the crown of the head. Be careful not to create a rectangle shape because that will more than likely show the part line when you're doing this hairstyle. So this triangle will really help to conceal any part lines as you're doing this hairstyle, and you can really dress this hairstyle up or down with this type of sectioning. So right before the crown of the head, now the crown of the head is where the top of your hair meets the back, so I place the TELETIES right before the crown of my head so I get a nice little bump of volume right at the crown. And then you can also pull forward a little bit of hair to just create a little bit of volume on the top. Then for this second section, I'm going to use my ear and draw an angle up from there. So this second section is still going to be a little bit up, and that gives this lifted, beautiful look to this hairstyle rather than creating it straight back as if it was a half up hairstyle. I'm just elevating it just a bit to really elevate the whole look. And for both of these sections so far, I've used the tiny size of the TELETIES ponytail holders, and for the bottom 2, I'll be using the small size. So here I just want to look in the mirror and see where to place that third ponytail holder, the third TELETIES, because I want to make sure that all of these bubbles are going to be evenly spaced. So this is the before. I secure all of the TELETIES that are going to be close to my head here before I start creating the bubbles. I'll do the final bubble on the ends of my hair at the very end. But at this point is where I want to gently pull out little by little. And what's best to do this is for one hand to hold the TELETIES while with the other hand you can pull some of the hair out gently. You can see when I'm trying to do it with one hand, it doesn't work very well. So I hold down the TELETIES with one hand, pull a little bit from the right, pull up a little bit from the left, because if you pull too much, it's really hard to tuck it back in. So I definitely recommend just pulling little by little until you get the right amount of volume for that size of bubble that you like. And I'm going for big bubbles here. I just love that voluminous look. It's so much fun. Be sure to use a handheld mirror to be able to check out all sides. Make sure your volume is even all around with a 360 view. I love pulling down a little bit of hair in front of the ears, and of course, optional, you can hairspray any of those flyaways down if you want a sleeker look. And here are the beautiful colors that I'm using today. It's actually this collection called For the Love of Nudes, but they're very beautiful pale pink, peach, beige, so I really love them because they stand out in my dark hair. So I hope this tutorial was fun for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.